English Control Institute, bilingual creators. We at English Control Institute have a vision to be recognized as the best school for English learning, give instruction and direction to every individual who has chosen the English language as their means of communication for academic and professional purposes, and to promote international and intercultural knowledge. Now 6 years after our humble beginnings, where we started as a simple workshop at a community center, English Control Institute has developed the T method. The T method is the newest and fastest method for learning English you can find. It is revolutionary and innovative. We provide first grade classes to dozens if not hundreds of students in Juarez City, Mexico. Our mission, to be the leader in providing the best English course available in the market at a price accessible to everyone. We will deliver a first-class English course which is revolutionary and innovative. We will have a reputation of excellent service with emphasis in outstanding teaching. Are you a beginner in learning English? Do you want to learn it 10 times faster than normal? Are you tired of boring grammar rules? If so, you have found the place you've been looking for. Come try us out. Your first week is free. Call 656-129-3487.